देख ले तो प्लान खत्म हो जाएगा। आज हम करने वाले हैं
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
Morning, teacher.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, everyone. Okay, one more time I'm explaining you in short. Okay, so the poem is basically about attitude, positive attitude, not negative attitude. Encouragement and motivation means how you get motivated. You have to be motivated, you have to be positive. Motivation comes from inside. If you want to do something, it's come from inside, like I have to do, I can do. And be positive, because if you're positive situation, if you feel relaxed, if you do, sorry, in a, whether it's a very hard situation, if you're stuck in a situation, be positive, relax your mind, you will find the way to come out. You will find the way to come out. Doesn't matter whether it is a very, everyone is panicking. No, be calm, don't look at others, don't look others. Everyone is saying no, we can't do, we can't do, we can't do. Okay, sound is coming, no, 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 no. You hear, you heard a sound, no, 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 from everywhere. Don't hear that sound. Just think about how you are seeing. Listen to your mind, listen to your heart, listen to your mind and listen to your heart what they are telling. If you positive from inside, you will get the solution. No doubt you will get the solution. So I got many answers like be happy, encourage, enjoy the life, have a aim. Yes, you should have a aim. See, if you see the person is jumping from, he's crossing the bridge, although the bridge is broken, but his aim is to reach out the other point. His aim is to reach at the other end. He started in the between the mountain, you see the gap, but the people want to reach on the other side. So they make the bridge. How they are making? Holding the leg. Holding the leg, they make a bridge, one person to other, and they reach on the other side. The person is how the person is crossing the bridge while jumping. Yes, confident. Be positive all the time. Be confident. Yes. Mindset. Yes, it's depend on your mindset. See, it's depend on your way how you are seeing the, have a biggest and the huge aim or the target, as Dr. Abdul Kalam said. Yes, he said. He's also said, if you have dream, it won't let you sleep. Means if you're having a dream, if you want to achieve your dream, the dream won't let you sleep. The dream won't let you sleep. You're always get motivated, like I have to achieve this. I have to achieve my goal. You won't get sleep until you get your goal. Don't let yourself down. Yes, very true. Very true. Okay. So we are moving to the word meaning. Aryan 9C, I'm unmuting you. Aryan 9C. Shruti Tiwari 9C.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, read the meanings.
Meaning stages, learn the man. Teacher, can you
Wait.
screen?
Stages, learn the men. If you see the first paragraph, how they are learning? See, the bridge is broken, but they are learning. They are learning how to pass that bridge. Okay. Second.
Stress controlling influencing. Teacher,
Yes.
teacher, can you, teacher, wait. Can you, teacher, can you big the screen, please?
Okay.
It's not saying.
Wait. It's not big the screen. Can you please zoom the screen? Can you please zoom? Okay, it's not a big, it's a zoom.
Not teacher is also. Yes, teacher.
You are able to see?
Yes.
Okay, so controlling influence means, see, everywhere negative is there. So you are not influenced towards the negative. You are controlling this influence. You are influencing only towards the positive. Don't influence. If other is saying we have to go there, no, why you are influencing? Why? I'm not following the man. Na? He's saying no, we have to go. It's a very good thing. No, don't influence from others. Control your influencing means you have to control yourself. You have to know what is right and what is wrong. Okay. Third, yes.
Uncontrolled, not defeated.
Yes. Not defeated means you are not defending anyone. Not defeated. Okay. Yes. Next one.
Translate temporary.
Temporary means the pain is temporary. The pain is temporary. The problem is temporary. How it is, it's depend on you whether it's temporary or not. Okay. It's depend on you whether you're taking this problem for a shorter time or stretching for the longer time. It's temporary. Yes. Next.
Beware that which can rise up. Upward.
Yes. So which can rise upward means it's you only. You have to see, if you see the last passage, the child is moving upward. Although he is demotivated, but he is encouraging himself. I have to go upward. Okay. Next.
Lamp express grief or regret.
Regret means you have to express what is your problem. What is the okay? This is the situation. That's why I failed. No problem. But learn from this. Get the experience. Don't let the same thing again. Next.
Foretells predicate bracket the future or a Teacher, 1 minute.
Predicts future events. Yes, fertile predicts. You can't predict the future events. You can't predict what is going to happen in your future. You can do at the present. You can live in the present. You don't know what is going to happen in the future. You know what happened in the past. You are in present. You are learning from the past. Okay, that's all. You can't
Try-
predict whether you get this or not. You can't predict it. Yes.
Trial judgments.
Don't afraid of judgment. Judgment is temporary. See, people are coming and passing the judgment. Everyone is passing the judgment. Even I got so many judgment, but I am not afraid now. Some judgment are good, some judgment are bad. Take both the things. Take both the things and see if they are passing a negative judgment, why they are passing. Take both the things and learn. Yes.
Quarrel
Yes.
and quarrel and suppress.
End and suppress means you are reaching to end of the goal. Last one.
Despair, hopelessness.
Yes, hopelessness. You can mute yourself. Thank you so much. Hopeless means, see, if you see the child at the beginning, he is very hopeless. How? He is very hopeless, like, no, I can't do. I am very hopeless. It's not, I can't do. Don't be hopeless. Find a hope. First, let's try. Afterwards, tell whether it is done or not. Don't be hopeless. Okay. So we are done with word meanings. Now I'm giving you two things. First, appreciation of the poems. Okay. These are the, I'm giving you the pointers, 8 pointers. You have to write title, poems, central themes, or the central idea in 2-3 lines. You can please note down. Please note down this, what I'm telling to you. Please note down this question. This is your homework question. Everyone, note down. So you have to write about the poem's rhyming scheme. Figure of speech is personification, means telling about the person, is telling one person. You can relate, everyone can relate oneself. Okay. So what are the imaginary, what are the implication? What is your favorite line? Why you like the poem? If you don't like the poem, you have to write it. Okay, those students who want to take the screenshot, they can take. Please write it, and afterwards I'm showing you the meaning after this. Okay, I'm giving you 2 minutes time. Write it. This is your homework question. Please write it. Yes, this is your homework question. This is your homework. You have to write it. What are the central idea of the poem? What are the main theme of the poem? Why you like the poem? If you don't like the poem, what was the reason you don't like the poem? Yes, in your notebook you have to write. Okay, so I'm moving to the word meaning. Please write it. Write the meaning. One more homework I'm giving you. This you have wrote the question, and one more homework. First, you have to write the 1 or 2 lines about life, 1 or 2 sentences about life, and another you have to write a poem on life, motivation, encouragement. You can include these points. You have to write a 1 short poem, 4 line, 5 line poem. You have to write it. You have to write a poem on life and 2-3 sentences on life. Okay, we are moving to the question and answers. First question. Answer me the first question. I'm unmuting you, Namrita. Sorry, Nimrit 9th A. Nimrit 9th A. I'm unmuting you. Astha 9th A. Astha 9th A. Okay, for second question, give me the answer. For second question, what does the rain often foretell? For second question. Third question. Answer third question. Ranjana Yadav, 9th B. I'm unmuting you. Ranjana Yadav. Fourth question. Write the answer in fourth question in chat box. You have 2 minutes time. After that, we are beginning our school prayer. After school prayer. So, if you understand the poem, please write in the chat box. Okay, if you have any doubt, please write in the chat box if you have any doubt. See, homework is what I have given you. I have given you one question on PPT. You have written, write it down, and I can't show it PPT. Now we are going to sing our prayer. And 2 question, you have to write a poem in your own word. New poem, 4 or 5 line on life, and 1 or 2 sentence about life. I'm unmuting you all. You have to sing after, you have to repeat after me.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Teacher of wisdom,
Yes, teacher.
Study time, this period of grace and
I thank you.
God of wisdom,
God of wisdom, thank you. This study time,
period of grace,
period of
enable
grace
my
and
memory.
memory, stay in what?
in what I have studied.
Wisdom. And may it serve your purpose. Thank you, God.
And add the into wisdom. May it serve your purpose.
Okay, so can you tell me what you understand this after prayer? Why they are telling the period of grace and understanding? I have retained what I have studied. Please tell what you understand. Write in a chat box. What you understand. What's the meaning of this prayer?